who's on Instagram, my Instagram account is the same as my YouTube channel, John Drives Anything. I will pin this Instagram account in the comment section. This guy right here, he's in Japan, and Japan has quite the Ford Econoline scene going. Check it out. It looks like they have bigger meets than me. That's really cool. So here's my meet right here, my October meet. And here's my last video, buying a Ford E-Series van. I give you guys looking for one, tips on what to look for. And check out this comment I got a couple hours ago. From Ghana, I really like Ford cars and E350 vans. So I left him a comment back and asked him if he has an Instagram account, and I asked him if he has a Ford van. That's really cool. That's my first comment from Ghana, and of course I'm gonna look it up. So I looked up Ford Econolines for sale in Ghana, and there's a couple of them actually. I have no idea how to say their exchange rate. We'll look at that in a second. So I went ahead and clicked on one already, but there you go, there's a bunch of them. I wonder if Larry from Action Van Suspension, I wonder if he's shipped any lift kits to Ghana. He's told me that he's shipped kits to Japan and Germany. He has shipped them around the world. When I see him again, I'll ask him. So I clicked on one of them. So like I said, this is a geography lesson, and you guys are gonna teach me because I failed geography. So 86,000, I went ahead and put the currency right here. 86,000, is it a CDI, CD? But 86,000 is equivalent to almost 6,000 United States dollars. So there you go. And let's go ahead and look at it real quick. So there's a Ford Econoline for sale in Ghana. Learned something new today. Again, you guys are teaching me Greater Accra, or is it Accra? Is it Dome or Dome? So I went ahead and plugged that into Google Maps. And I cannot drive there from San Diego. There's San Diego, and there's Dome or Dome. Learned something new today. First comment from Ghana. So check it out. I have some sick I have one sick add-on coming in, and I have one sick add-on to install, my front mount tow hitch. I still got to put that in, but I got a sick add-on coming in probably tomorrow. So right now I'm doing a review on this Harbor Freight battery. This one's 4 years old. The one under my futon is 2 years old. So I'm testing how much capacity a 4-year-old Harbor Freight battery has. That's the thing with this channel. I'm not a grifter. I'm here to stay. This is year 12 of my channel, so I'm able to do long-term tests. So some people, they do a test the first day they get something. This is a 4-year update right here. Shout out to my buddy Jeff. He just got a Ford Econoline van, and he told me he just put in some Amazon headlights, the Amazon special. So Jeff, make videos, man. I need content to watch. My years here, man, I've seen a bunch of grifters, and I want to see some steady Ford Econoline content uploaded. So this is tomorrow or tonight. I'm working on this as we speak right now. I'm multitasking. So I wanted to share that comment from Ghana. That's pretty cool. So Harbor Freight review tomorrow or tonight. Sick add-ons, a new sick add-on tomorrow. It's a surprise. I told some of you already because it was a really cool gesture. You'll see tomorrow.